Alright, this is where we at now. I got the dry shelf hooked up. I got all the hoses line hooked up. That's my gas line there, goes to my tank. Get that out of the way. Put that right there. There's my main pressure. There's my turn. Here's my suction. Here's my pump. Which that pump is way too big. Way too big. Way too big. This is 11 gallons a minute. And that bucket up there works furious. I'll show you in a little bit. I'll crank it up and show you. But that thing picks up, and that clamshell, boom, 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 way too much. But I will crank it up and show you just a minute. But what I done here, I had to make a piece of this bearing is sitting lower than this cap. So I'd take this piece of aluminum. It was like a piece of 1 inch. So I had to cut one side up, then one side down, make a step, then thread this into it. That's how I made that. So we're fired up. Let me put the gas tank and the hood back, the thing back on it, and we'll power it up. I don't know how this camera looks, but this is a 1080 camera HD, and we're trying to find out how it looks. I just got it, just trying it out. Before I put this back on, I'm going to show you a pump I bought for this thing. This is a pump I bought here. It's a 4 gallon a minute pump, which is, you see the arrow there, the direction's either way. So it don't make no difference what direction it is. You just got to know which one to make the suction or which one to make the pressure. This it's got 3 ports on the back, but this port and this port is looped together, same as this one and this one. So I'm going to plug these two off. This is the return for the pressure on the gear pump. If it's one direction, it has a little place that's cut away for the oil to seep out the other side of the gears to release the pressure. But this one don't have it, so it has a leak, a hose leak by. I got to hook that up. I don't like this too much, all this junk on the back. Well, I'm gonna get plugs going, and I'll run this line back to the tank. And like I say, it's a little 4 gallon a minute. I think it'd be just beautiful for it. But the problem is, this thing's been used. You can see it all beat up, scratched up, and I don't know how good you can see it in the light here, but different angles you see it all beat up and scratched up across there, and where you see hammer marks like somebody might have painted the back up, but I don't know if you can see them hammer marks or not, right on the back up, right where my finger is. See right there? Where somebody was beating on it. So we called Harbor Freight, and they're going to send me another pump. So it'll be next week before I'll be able to give you a video on how this thing works. My other memory card I had of my 11 gallon a minute pump that I was using, well, it took a dump, my memory card, so I wasn't able to use it. So I had a little video of me pushing dirt and picking up, which has got a lot of power, but that ain't the problem. The problem is it's just too fast. It's loading up the engine. When you pick up the bucket real fast, it brrr, because it's trying to force all that 11 gallon a minute through that line, that small cylinder, and just having to dump at the same time. So that's not good. Yeah, I know. Some of y'all thinking, why don't I just put the orifice in line and restrict the flow? Because I don't want that. It's getting too hot too quick. The pump on the back is getting hot. The rear end's getting hot. All these lines here are getting hot. It never did that before. This is getting pretty hot. It's because that 11 gallon a minute is flowing through there too quick for the size line. So 4 gallon a minute is going to work perfect, I think. Let me fire it up and show you how it works. that's a little too fast. I think that's a little too fast. Hey, if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Hey, push that notification bell and you'll know when I have a next video. It's going to be probably next week when I pick up dirt again with this thing. Like I say, I did it before, but the other camera card took a dump. So it'll be next week. We'll have another video on picking up dirt. Hey, have a good day. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.